Having trouble upgrading your Tesco Mobile plan? You're not alone. There are typically three main reasons why upgrades get blocked: credit check failures, address verification problems, and plan lock restrictions. Let's break down each of these issues and how to resolve them based on the latest information for 2025. First, Tesco Mobile performs a soft credit check to assess risk using Experian. A score above 600 out of 1,000 is usually needed. Second, address verification ensures billing accuracy and fraud prevention, matching your provided address against official records. Finally, plan locks are contractual restrictions that prevent immediate upgrades, especially on contracts under 12 months. We'll show you how to tackle each of these hurdles. If your credit check failed, use free credit building apps to improve your score and reapply after 30 days. Ensure your address matches your ID and utility bills. Upload proof via the Tesco Mobile app if there's a mismatch. If you're facing a plan lock, contact Tesco Mobile support at 0344 324 9222. They may offer a waiver, especially for loyal customers. For pay-as-you-go users, top up your account to meet eligibility. Remember, Tesco Mobile has been updating its policies to be more customer-friendly, with AI-driven credit assessments and more flexible plan structures. If problems persist, consider escalating to Ofcom.